Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download XcelPay Wallet application on Android. So let's dive into the video without further ado. Open your Play Store and go to the search box and type in XcelPay and search. Look for this application from XcelTrip LLC, which is specially for your Android phone, and simply tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. XcelPay is a mobile and tablet cryptocurrency wallet application that allows users to send, receive, and trade cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch Open XcelPay on your Android device. So that's how easily you can download and install XcelPay on Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.